What's up, guys? I'm super excited because we finally got the body kit. I'm gonna unbox this thing and we're gonna have a discussion about what we want to do here. I also picked up some rib nuts and a rib nut tool, and we're gonna run these red rib nuts that I think will look really good with our vinyl. But before we get to that, let's unbox this. All right, so we got everything unboxed. It looks pretty good. I'm gonna check out the quality of it. I don't see any imperfections or anything this far, but who knows? And I also didn't really know that it was actually gonna be black. Here's a label in case anybody's curious about what this particular model is. It's very cool. Never in my life did I think I would actually be buying car parts like this. This is crazy. Like, this is gonna transform the look of the car so much. This stuff right here looks pretty good. I mean, it's pretty stable. It's thin, I will say that. Like, I understand now why so many people are running around with like cracked ones and broken ones and whatnot. So there is that. And then the side skirts, these side skirts are enormous. It's gonna look so good once we get them on there. So some of the things to think about, one of them is, like, I kind of want to throw this on there as black and just run around in it a little bit and see what it looks like, you know. So we may do that. I thought I was gonna have to paint it. I thought this thing was gonna come in white and then we would actually have to paint it black, but since it's already black and it doesn't look very good, the car itself doesn't look very good at the moment, we might just go ahead and slap this on there and run it like this for a couple days, and then we'll wrap it. So from what I've heard with this material, or whatever it's sprayed with anyways, wrap doesn't stick very well to this material as is. I don't know that for sure. It could be that I've seen videos of people doing wraps on other types of material, but I pulled a strip off so that we could actually test that theory and see exactly how well this does adhere to this material. Of course, I put a bubble in it immediately right there, so we'll stick that on there like so. And I mean, like, honestly, that felt like it stuck on there pretty good. So we may be okay wrapping directly to this. Of course, we'll have to wipe it down some more, but let me see how hard this is to get off. I mean, I don't know how much better it should stick. It felt like it was a pretty solid stick, you know, once you actually get this wrapped. I could be wrong. I feel like maybe the edges might be problematic. So like if I wrap it like right here, maybe, and then see, we can like maybe test and see if it starts coming up. So to like right here where our edge is, yeah, like that seems like it's going to be a problem already. So I need to do some research and figure out exactly what we need to spray this with in order to make this adhere best, and we'll go from there. But overall, yeah, I'm pretty excited. This is it looks pretty great. We'll see how this all comes along, and I don't know that I'm going to actually get this put on today. It's going to take quite a bit of work, and I've been sick the past several days, so I just wanted to do kind of a quick update video to basically unbox the body kit. So next video, we'll have things figured out pretty much. I'll start putting some of these pieces on the next video. Hi, Snickerdoodle. How are you? Boop. Well, I've done it this time, guys. I have smashed my finger in a garage door. So you know how it's got the 4 panels that come down, and like as they come down, they come together to make, you know, a flat line. I guess I just wasn't paying attention, but I caught the tip of my finger in between the two of the panels as they came together, and I'm talking about this thing was smashed flat. So it's gonna take a couple days for me to get the filling back into it, and yeah, that's that. So I'm gonna get this thing bandaged up real quick. All right, that's done. So now we just let this thing heal for a couple days. There's still a lot to think about as far as the body kit, getting that on. So I'll put some thought into that, watch some videos, figure out what we need to do some prep to get the vinyl to stick to these panels. But from what I'm seeing, like the best method apparently is like clear coating them. So give me a couple days, and then I will start getting the next pieces of the puzzle put together with this car. But thanks for watching. I just wanted to give you guys a quick update. I hope y'all had a wonderful New Year, and talk to you next time.